Leica has long been known for blending traditional craftsmanship with forward-thinking design, and nowhere is this more evident than in its Q series. These cameras have gained a loyal following among street photographers and travelers thanks to their elegant design, exceptional image quality, and easy-to-use controls. The upcoming addition to this family, referred to by many as the Leica Q4, has stirred excitement across the photography community. The original Q model set the tone with a fixed 28mm f1.7 lens and full-frame sensor in a sleek, compact build. It was praised for its minimalism and consistently beautiful image output. Then came the Q2, which raised the bar with a 47.3-megapixel sensor, improved weather resistance, and better performance. The Q3 further refined the experience with a faster processor, a tilting screen, and improved ergonomics. Now, after a 4-year pause, Leica appears, ready to take another big step. Rumors suggest the Q4 will feature a 60-megapixel full-frame BSI-CMOS sensor, possibly adapted from the Leica M11. This sensor design enhances light sensitivity and dynamic range, enabling cleaner low-light shots and more detail in highlights and shadows. This would be a major asset for street photographers and portrait artists alike. Powering this sensor is said to be an upgraded Maestro processor, tailored to efficiently handle large files while maintaining responsive performance. This could mean burst speeds above 5 frames per second, with advanced autofocus running seamlessly in the background. A major change is expected in the autofocus system. Earlier Q models used contrast detection only, which, while precise, lagged behind the speed of newer systems. The new version is likely to include hybrid autofocus, combining phase and contrast detection for improved tracking and speed, especially useful when photographing movement or spontaneous moments. Leica may finally be incorporating in-body image stabilization (IBIS) into the Q series. This 5-axis stabilization system would allow for handheld shots at slower shutter speeds, ideal for low-light environments, interiors, and handheld video without relying on fast shutter speeds alone. Vloggers and content creators stand to benefit greatly from this added stability. The camera is also expected to retain its iconic 28mm Summilux lens, celebrated for its clarity, minimal distortion, and signature bokeh. Enhancements such as new coatings could further reduce flaring and increase contrast in tricky lighting. The lens design will likely stay true to Leica's mechanical precision, with tactile aperture and focus rings. On the video side, the Q4 could push boundaries with 8,000 recording at 24 fps, a first for Leica in this category. This would allow users to extract high-resolution stills directly from footage. Additionally, 4,000 recording at 60 fps is anticipated, along with a log profile for flexible post-production color grading, making this camera a serious option for filmmakers. User experience also looks to be receiving attention. An advanced OLED electronic viewfinder with around 6 million dots is likely, offering a crisp and responsive display. The rear screen may grow to 3.5 inches and tilt forward, useful for vlogging and creative shooting angles. In terms of connectivity, Leica is modernizing with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and USB-C port supporting data transfer, charging, and possibly tethered shooting. A full-size HDMI output might be included too, giving video professionals more flexibility with external gear. Another standout feature could be internal storage, a built-in 1TB SSD, similar to what's in the M11. Coupled with dual ASI SD card slots, this setup would support multiple workflows, like saving RAW files internally while sending JPEGs to a card for quick sharing. Battery life is expected to improve significantly, potentially reaching up to 600 shots per charge, double that of the Q3. USB-C fast charging should also make recharging more convenient and efficient. Of course, all these upgrades come at a price. Estimates suggest a starting point between $600 and $700, with premium editions possibly exceeding $800. While expensive, many Leica fans consider the quality, craftsmanship, and results to be worth the investment. Speculation also surrounds potential computational photography tools, such as pixel shift for ultra-high-res images and intelligent features like subject isolation or aperture simulation. If true, these would mark an intriguing step toward blending classic optics with smart processing. Altogether, the Leica Q4 isn't just shaping up to be an update, it could redefine what a compact full-frame camera can do. For creatives who value both simplicity and performance, this may well be the ultimate everyday companion.